episode, I make Christmas ornaments from abalone shells and vintage jewelry. Making these beautiful abalone Christmas ornaments today, and they're super easy to make. You can make like a dozen of these in an hour. I used to make seashell mirrors and I would sell them in my shop. One day I open up my computer and there is an email from Extreme Makeover Home Edition. What is this? They wanted me to come to LA and make a seashell mirror for their show. I pack up my shells. My dad drops me off at the set. I'm making the mirror. I see like a group of producers and cameramen walking over to my tent. All of a sudden they come over and here comes the crew. Hey Debbie, we're ready. Oh my God, what am I supposed to do? Just act natural, just make your seashell mirror. Ty is gonna pop out. We're not gonna tell you exactly what he's gonna do, but just react to him.
It's hard enough to breathe.
Take the rhinestone chain. You put the E6000 right along the edge of the seashell.
When we don't have smoke caught in the lungs, you see.
You can use rhinestone chain from a vintage necklace, or you can buy it on Amazon. I'll add the links below. Use E6000 glue to outline the edge of the abalone shell. Work in a well-ventilated area because this glue is toxic. Here comes Ty Pennington, and he's cute. He's got the hair and the shorts, and oh my God, this guy is way cuter in person. Okay, Debbie, just glue the shells on, just go with the flow, and just talk about your mirror and answer the questions, and it should all be good. Okay, trying to take a deep breath. I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to like figure out how I'm gonna do this. The next thing I know, Ty just like jumps out of nowhere and he's got the megaphone and he's yelling at me. The family is gonna be home in 3 days. I don't do anything. Just got this like dork smile on my face. I've got no words. Nothing was coming out. He was cute, it was the cameras, it was everything, and I was just frozen. Okay, cut. We're gonna glue the jewelry onto the seashells with the E6000. If you're at a thrift store and you see this stuff, just buy it. Just keep it, hoard it, put it in a box under your bed because you're gonna need it. I cut up vintage earrings and placed them on the curve of the abalone. I used a combination of E6000 and hot glue. The hot glue is just there to hold the jewels in place because E6000 takes a while to dry. However, the combination of hot glue and E6000 is not recommended because of the fumes, so do this at your own risk. A clamp or some tape is probably a better idea.
You got me feeling like a holiday.
I also like to use a toothpick to manipulate the glue because E6000 can irritate the skin, and it's also recommended that you wear gloves.
And now I'm begging that you feel the same. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Debbie, okay, we're gonna do it again. You have to like hurry up and start working faster when he tells you, talk about the mirror and the shells. They go for take 2 and Ty crawls under the table. Then they yell action and he jumps out, and this time he has a piece of lunch meat stuck to his shirt because somebody had eaten a sandwich. Hurry up, get to work, make that seashell mirror. Come on, let's go, let's go. I got nothing. I'm just staring at him. We do like 3 or 4 takes and it does not get much better from there. The last step is to thread ribbon through the natural holes of the seashell and hang them on your tree. I used a pale green silk ribbon that picked up the color of the abalone. These shells cost about $1 on Amazon. I think they would be really pretty as a gift or tied to the top of a package.
I've got this feeling in my chest, the thump, thumping. Want you to gimme, don't stop. Gimme, don't stop.
When they move the bus and then the family walks into the house, My seashell mirror was hanging right there in the foyer, and it was like one of the first things you saw. That was one of the major things that influenced me to start my YouTube channel. I got to see how the designers worked together and how all the rooms came together. It was after that that I started really trying to figure out a way to get over being an introvert and to be in front of the camera, to share my ideas with you. It is something that I'll never forget. It's my story about Ty Pennington and the seashell mirror.
Let me know in the comments what kind of ornaments you have on your tree and if you plan to make any handmade ones this year.
Feeling like a holiday.
I'm trying to make as many videos as I can in the month of December, so make sure you ring the bell so that you don't miss the next video. I'll put my Amazon link down below so you can get your own abalone shells and make these beautiful ornaments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.